Botanic Healthcare is a globally recognized manufacturer of high-quality nutraceutical ingredients and botanical extracts. With a strong commitment to sustainability and science-backed innovation, we cater to a broad spectrum of industries including dietary supplements, pharmaceuticals, functional foods, and cosmetics. One of our flagship products is lutein, a potent carotenoid extracted from marigold flowers. At Botanic Healthcare, we manage the entire supply chain, from cultivation to final extraction, ensuring exceptional quality, consistency, and traceability. Our marigold cultivation spans over 25,000 acres across South India, making us one of the largest integrated producers of lutein globally. We follow good agricultural practices throughout the cultivation process. Our dedicated agriculture team works closely with farmers, providing continuous guidance on best practices for sowing, plant care, and harvesting. By actively monitoring the fields, we help ensure high flower yields and optimal raw material quality, supporting both sustainable farming and product excellence.
The people at the Botanic Company are offering a unique deal in the foreign market, bringing great joy to everyone.
We have been cultivating marigold flowers in collaboration with farmers for over 6 years. Our strong long-term partnerships ensure trust and consistency in supply.
We at Botanic Healthcare believe at sustainability. All our major product, including marigold lutein, comes from sustainable source. We grow with a buyback agreement with the farmers. We collect the flowers, do all pre-processing at the farmer's vicinity, and final lutein products are manufactured at Botanic Healthcare.
Botanic Healthcare company.
We are growing marigold flowers for Botanic Healthcare. We have good profits. This is how we grow every year. We make a profit every year.
After harvest, marigold flowers are carefully collected and transported to a nearby pre-processing facility to maintain and minimize nutrient loss. To ensure logistical efficiency and quality preservation, we have established a dedicated pre-processing unit near Mysore, India, strategically located close to the cultivation areas. At this facility, the marigold flowers undergo an ensiled fermentation process. This process not only stabilizes the flowers, but also enhances the bioavailability of important compounds such as lutein, which is the key active ingredient in marigold oleoresin. Once the silaging process is complete, the flowers are subjected to drying using carefully regulated temperature conditions to prevent degradation of sensitive bioactives. The dried biomass is then compressed into pellets, which offer several advantages including improved shelf life, ease of handling, reduced transport cost, and standardized input for extraction. These marigold pellets are then used as the raw material for oleoresin extraction. The extracted marigold oleoresin is a high-value product for lutein and zeaxanthin grade. The extraction and final processing of lutein and other botanical ingredients take place at our state-of-the-art, GMP-certified manufacturing facility located in Hyderabad, India. This facility adheres to the highest standards of quality, safety, and environmental sustainability, ensuring that our products meet stringent international regulatory requirements. Among our portfolio, our flagship clinically proven brand, Lutenic, stands out. Lutenic is a clinically validated grade of lutein and zeaxanthin, available in both oil and powder forms. Backed by scientific research and trusted for its proven efficacy, Lutenic supports and protects eye health, making it the preferred choice for nutraceutical formulations worldwide. With a presence in global markets and a reputation for reliability, Botanic Healthcare is your trusted partner in natural wellness solutions.